So this was the trade that was hunting all morning in class. I was on the charts at around this time, so 720, 725-ish, and I saw that price was continuing this liquidity void down, and then it stopped at about 8:40 a.m. EST, and price started to consolidate. The consolidation range was very big at this time, and then it got smaller and smaller and tighter, and it started to consolidate upwards. And then price was accumulating orders at this time, so via the ICT power of three, I was waiting for price to manipulate, in which it did. It manipulated here at the candle created at 11:35 a.m. as well as this candle, the 11:40 a.m. candle, and then price distributed at this candle and created a fair value gap. Let's mark that out with a rectangle. The high of this candle, which is 24.2187. Let's just roughly mark it out. And then the low of this candle, which is 24.2257. I thought that I missed out on trade on this candle right here, but I stayed disciplined and actually followed my trading plan, and I saw that it didn't trade into it because the low is 24.2271, and this low is 24.2257, so it's off by the low in pips. And then I was very patient within this trade setup, and finally this candle here traded into the fair value gap at 24.2260. I know it's not less than 57, but you have to take into account the spread. And then I executed the trade. And where was I targeting? If I go to the 15-minute chart and go back to this liquidity void that price was creating, I see that there's this liquidity void that price hasn't filled in yet. So that was my take profit. And if I drop back down to the 5-minute chart, I place my stop loss at the open of this candle created at 11:45, which is 24.2149, and the risk to reward was a 4.3 to 1, which is good, and it played out the way that I wanted it to. I also took profit somewhere around here and another one here, and then price eventually filled in to my take profit. That was the confluence for this trade. I'm really happy because I was able to stay patient and I didn't rush into any trade. Although I did have FOMO, I was able to stay disciplined and really just stay within my trading plan and trading strategy instead of rushing through a trade and just doing it just blindly. So I'm happy that I did that. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to see this clearly, you can drop down to the 30-minute chart. Oops. See, price started accumulating upwards and then consolidating, manipulation, distribution. And that was the trade. It played out perfectly. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.